Welcome back guys to another episode of Project Bear Ones. On today's episode we're going to go through all the driveline details. The motor already came with a very basic pod filter setup, but it needed a little bit of modifying to suit the Escort. I cut a few pieces to weld onto the turbo inlet flange and ended up with this. We then found the correct size K&N pod filter and fit it into place. The motor itself is an SR20 from an S15 Silvia or 200SX. The motor already came with a Haltech Platinum ECU. Attached to the motor was a Silvia 5-speed gearbox, which now has a heavy-duty clutch also installed. As for mods to the motor, it's actually quite mild in that aspect. It has bigger cams, bigger injectors and an aftermarket fuel rail. But even with just those little mods, the car produces 300 horsepower at the wheels, which is plenty of power for the little Escort. Here's a clip of the first startup. Ellie did all the wiring on the car, and before you know it, it was happy lap time. We had a custom tail shaft made to suit the Escort. To get power to all those wires that Ellie installed, we need a battery that can no longer go in the engine bay as it's full. Time for the battery to go in the boot. I made up a custom battery tray, painted it satin black, and now the boot is all nice and neat. That's it for this episode guys, just a quick short one. On the next episode we're going through the bodywork. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Please give a like, subscribe and leave a comment.